This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660BS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, smoke detector, leveling jacks, awning, water heater, spare tire kit, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660BS is 6,564 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.